Hello everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making authentic Egyptian Hawawshi with minced beef. This recipe is fun, full of flavor, and I promise you will enjoy every step. First, take half a cup of soybeans. Pour 1 cup of hot water over them. Let them soak for 10 minutes until they become soft and tender. The smell already starts to fill the kitchen. It's so inviting. I love watching the soybeans soften. It's like magic happening in the water. While the soybeans soak, let's prepare our spices. We need half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of dried ginger, half a teaspoon of salt, 1½ tablespoons of beef spices, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon of ground coriander. These spices are the secret to making the Hawawshi taste incredible. The combination of these flavors is what makes Egyptian Hawawshi so special. Now for the vegetables. 2 red chili peppers for some heat, 1 yellow bell pepper for color and freshness, and chili is optional. I used half a chili to keep it mild. I also added 2 tomatoes. Remove the skin and the core because it has too much liquid. This keeps the mixture perfect for stuffing, not too wet, not too dry. Next, for onions finely chopped, and half a kilo of minced beef. You can use any meat you like. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley for aroma and freshness. The parsley gives a nice color and makes every bite taste lively. Now comes the fun part. Put the minced beef and soaked soybeans in the food processor. Blend everything until smooth and well combined. The smell is already so tempting. I love smelling the spices mixing with the meat. It's like a little celebration in the kitchen. Mix everything in a large bowl. Make sure all spices, vegetables, and meat are evenly combined. The mixture should be soft, juicy, and ready to fill the bread. At this point, you can taste a little bit if you like, just to make sure the flavors are perfect. Now it's time to stuff the bread. Open the Egyptian bread carefully and fill it generously with the mixture. Seal it well so nothing falls out while cooking. I always like to take a small bite of the leftover mixture. Can't resist. Heat your pan or oven to medium heat. Cook the Hawawshi until the bread becomes golden and crispy. Inside, it will remain juicy and full of flavor. You can imagine the steam rising and the amazing aroma. It's irresistible. While it's cooking, let me tell you a little story. Hawawshi is one of the most loved street foods in Egypt. It's simple, economical, and every bite is full of flavor. Making it at home is so satisfying. You get the authentic taste without leaving your kitchen. It's a recipe that brings families together, sharing a delicious meal and making memories. Check the bread, flip if needed, and let it get crispy on all sides. Be patient, good things take time and the result is worth it. The smell will drive everyone crazy, I promise. Finally, remove the Hawawshi and serve it hot. You can enjoy it with tahini sauce, pickles, or just as it is. Look at that golden crust and juicy filling. It's perfect for lunch, dinner, or sharing with friends and family. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes. Write in the comments what recipe you want me to make next. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your homemade Egyptian Hawawshi. Hello everyone. Welcome back. Now let's talk about some extra tips and fun ideas to make your Hawawshi even more special. First, if you want the bread extra crispy, brush it lightly with olive oil or melted butter before cooking. This small step makes a big difference. The crust becomes golden and crunchy, and it smells irresistible. You can also add extra vegetables inside the filling, like carrots or zucchini, finely chopped. This adds a little sweetness and makes the Hawawshi healthier too. A fun trick: sprinkle a little cheese inside before sealing the bread. When it melts, it makes each bite gooey and delicious. Kids love this and adults can't resist either. Let's talk about the aroma. As it cooks, the smell fills the kitchen. The combination of spices, meat, and vegetables makes everyone curious. Even neighbors might ask for a bite. Another tip: serve your Hawawshi with a fresh salad or pickles. The tangy, fresh flavors balance the rich, savory filling perfectly. Here's a little story. In Egypt, Hawawshi is more than just food. It's tradition. Families gather, laugh, and enjoy the process together. Even the small things like peeling tomatoes or chopping onions become moments to share and remember. And finally, don't forget, Cooking is about joy, creativity, and sharing love through food. Every bite of Hawawshi tells a story, full of warmth and flavor. So try these tips next time you cook, and make your Hawawshi extra special. Enjoy your meal, share it with family and friends, and let the aroma and taste bring smiles to everyone around.